Step 1. Click on File /Save As /Browse /File Type Excel Macro Enabled Workbook XLSM /Save As. Step 2. Then click on File, Options, Customize Ribbon. Scroll down on the right-hand side and tick the developer box. OK. Step 3. Then click on the Developer tab and then Macro Security, and then tick the bottom box of Enable VBA codes. Not recommended. Potentially dangerous code can run. Step 4. Then save down the file. Then close the file. And then reopen. Step 5. Then go on to Visual Basic. And then Insert /Module. Then paste in the code which is in the description.
Step 1. Look at and amend line 30 of the VBA code so that it includes the file path of the PDF file that you want it to extract, and then at the end of the backslash then include the name of the specific file that it is called and that you want to extract and included .pdf at the end of the name. Step 2. Then amend line 19 of the code so that instead of the sheet that it will export the data to being called sheet 4, it instead is amended to include the name of the sheet you want it to be. What it does, it scans through each and every individual page in a Word PDF file and extracts all images in the PDF document and puts it into Excel for the info. Please note that this only works if you have an Adobe license on your computer, as if not it won't work.
Thanks for watching. If you wish to reach out to me for personalized work, please use the email of anonymous93220@gmail.com.